Hey everyone, so I just received the August Simply Gilded box in the mail this morning, so I thought I would do an unboxing. This one is called Park Avenue. It is absolutely beautiful. Nice little pretty shade of pink. And this is what the box looks like. Good things come in pink packages. And it has Jasper. He is my favorite little character. Volume 34. So I already took the mystery item out. I won't show that until the end like I always do, and I will give you a warning on the screen. So yeah, I'm just going to go through. This one's very cute and adorable. I have pictures on my Instagram that is down below. This is like the menu card, basically what you get in the box. And this is the pin. You always get a pin every month. Really pretty, and it's plaid. And of course it has the little bow engraved on the lid. I love the little bow, it's so cute. I think one time there was a moon. And now the washi comes in this cute little pouch, and I will show that when I am done. And this month we get a cute little keychain of Jasper and a little bow. Adorable, I love it. I like this little packaging. Sometimes I save them because I'm sure I'll come up with ideas to use it. So that's what it looks like. So super cute, and has Simply Gilded on the little heart chain. Like I said, Jasper is one of my favorite. Or actually, he is my favorite little character, because he's a cute little chubby bear. So I don't know if you noticed, I have purple glitter nails. I started selling Colorstreet. It's 100% real nail polish strips. If you're interested, my link is down below. The fall launch just happened today, and it is amazing. So many beautiful new designs. So yeah, I hope you go and shop, and if you do, let me know. I'm trying to start this business from home. So yeah. This month also came with another sticker book. I turned my sticker book into a pocket planner like months and months and months ago. I have a YouTube tutorial. I will link it down below as well. So you can always do that, and like I said, it would be the size of a pocket planner. We get sticky notes this month. They're very pretty. It has foil on them. You get a good nice amount. And there's also foil on it, and you can take them off the cardboard or keep them on and slide them inside of like a pocket or whatever you're using them. And I don't remember if it had a magnet on there because it felt like it was almost sticking to my little lamp thingy, but I don't know. It could just be me going absolutely insane because my brain is scattered. That was the journaling card. Absolutely adorable, and it matches the pouch and the pin. This is the B6 little notebook. Has little pretty flowers on the back with a bow and Jasper on the front. And these are the stickers that always come in with it. And these little ones fit inside of the sticker books. They slide in very nice. You can do front and back. Comes with a whole bunch of pages. So the first thing you get, it's the same every month. You get date dots, icons, seals, and stickers. So this one is the pretty gold. These ones are the pretty pink, also the heart shaped as well. This is like the little sampler, and then you get the two big sheets as well as the bow seals. So if you ever have any questions, please let me know down below. I'm always happy to help. I hope you like these unboxings. Last month I got it pretty late. This month I'm not sure where I am in line. I haven't seen very many posts. So I hope you enjoy this and like this month. It's very pretty. Very floral. I love the blue plaid, and Jasper. He's super cute. So yeah, let me know what your favorite Simply Gilded character is. Again, mine's Jasper. And I love that butterfly. So now time for the washi. I went off camera and opened it. This is the 5mm add-on that you can subscribe to as well. You have to do it separately, but it ships together. It comes with 4. I always like the 5mm, especially like separating boxes and just adding little touches. And then these are the main washies that came with it. I think there's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that top second one is like the thicker glittery one. It's really, really pretty. This one has like the different names on it. I love that one. It's so pretty. And then the buildings on the bottom, I really like that. That would be a fun box to have, like a city or a town or something. That'd be super, super cute. So anyways, now for the mystery item. So if you don't want to see this, thank you so much for joining. Have a wonderful day. And see you later. So yeah, and if you do want to see the mystery item, that is going to come on now, as soon as it's done flashing. And here we go. So I'm so excited and happy with this month. It's a card holder, a credit card holder, maybe business cards, and look at how shimmery and shiny this is. It is absolutely beautiful and has like the scalloped pockets. Perfect. Let me know what you guys think. All right, have a great day. Links are down below. See you later. Bye.